Hi, today I'm going to be talking to you about bilirubin numbers and explaining a little bit more about them. First, let's chat about what is bilirubin. Bilirubin is the waste that is produced when a red blood cell is broken down. In all human beings, red blood cells die and break down quite often. However, the liver in adults usually is what cleans out that waste and gets rid of it in the blood. Babies are a little bit different. Babies' livers are usually not mature enough in order to extract all of that bilirubin out. Therefore, high levels of bilirubin can occur in a baby. When a baby does have high levels of bilirubin, it becomes jaundice. Jaundice is a condition in which you will start to see symptoms such as yellowing skin, yellowing eyes. That shows to the doctor that there are high levels of bilirubin. High levels of bilirubin can become very dangerous. A little bit of jaundice isn't too bad, but once you get to the level of high bilirubin, then that becomes an issue. And that's because the bilirubin starts to creep into the brain. Once that begins to happen, it can kill off brain tissue and cause brain damage. A common medical term for that is kernicterus. That is when high levels of bilirubin enter the brain, it becomes kernicterus. Very dangerous. What a doctor and nursing staff need to be doing is constantly checking the bilirubin levels. They will know exactly, based on a threshold chart, what is considered to be too high and needing treatment. If your baby's bilirubin is too high, they will begin phototherapy. What phototherapy is essentially a blue light that is placed on and over the baby's body without any clothes, and that should eliminate the bilirubin from the baby's blood. But a lot of times, doctors miss this. They don't take enough tests. They don't check the bilirubin levels high enough, or even if they do, they're not checking the levels themselves to determine if they are dangerous. Therefore, it is extremely important for you as a parent advocate to be asking the questions that are necessary. What are the levels of the bilirubin? How high are they? Are they going down? Does phototherapy need to begin? So on and so forth. Do not let your newborn get discharged without checking your bilirubin levels. If you have more questions about bilirubin and how to count it, please give me a call. I would be happy to help you out. My name is Adam Funk, and I am a birth injury lawyer.